What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
Every time I play, it'll like crash when I'm playing 2K or Call of Duty.
Overheats?
Yeah. Is there any way we could fix it?
Don't worry, I got you. Alright, let's test and see it.
5 minutes later.
Oi, oi, oi. Look at all this. Surgery time. It definitely needs new thermal paste. Look at that. It's all dried out. And it needs deep cleaning.
Good job.
Resurgence. Survive
Do you play? No?
No, I never understood the control. No, I said. You guys been here a while?
13 years.
13 years? Really? Oh, that's a long time. Good for you guys.
Where you guys live?
Huh?
Close here?
No, we're in Connecticut.
Yeah, where?
Yeah, we live by like Manchester.
Manchester.
Yeah, so it was like an hour.
Yeah, we get people now from Boston,
All
Philly.
over. That's good. Yeah, that's what social media does nowadays. It brings in, you know, more people all over. That's good.
What he said like there's a famous guy.
Yeah, he was like, he got a lot of followers. Yeah. And he showed me like the videos that he
Yeah.
doing and stuff.
And then you're like, okay,
Yeah. I was like, you know that they have a tech spot over there, but we came over here. I mean, the last time I think it was the USB port that got messed up, and I
HDMI
went. Yeah, I went towards like our house, and I paid $250 just for that.
just for that. Wow.
So I was like.
Looks good. Looks good.
Yeah, I think.
Your PlayStation is ready, sir.
Okay.
Now It's good
Thank
to go.
you.
You're welcome.
Finally, yes. Thank you.
You tested it out?
Yeah. I'm
Everything
happy
good?
with the results, yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.